Okay. Hi. Are you guys there? Okay. 20 minutes. Oh, that's perfect because I'm just finishing my makeup and doing my hair and we'll be there. Okay. Ciao for now. Bye. Hello there, pretty faces. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a saucy blue look for you guys using Alamar, I hope I'm saying it right, Alamar Cosmetics Eye Palette. And as you can see, the colors are very bright. Now you'll see I'm first going to prep my eyes. So I'm going to prime my eyes. Usually I just use like a little leftover concealer to prime my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with the color Cafecito. That will be my transitioning color / base color. And then I make sure to just put that color all over my lid. Now it's a nice color. I always use a brown color for my base. I don't know why, but I just feel like, especially when I'm doing eye makeup, it is so easy to turn it into a transitioning color, no matter what type of makeup I am doing. Now I'm going to go in with the color Tropico. And this is a kind of like a orange color. It looks red, but it's orange. So I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my lid. You can see that it is transitioning into orange on my skin tone. So I'm putting that on the outer corner of my lid. And not too much, but one thing that I like about this palette is the colors on its own. They are quite pigmented and there's not a lot of fallout. The colors are also easy to blend in. Now I'm going to go in with Varadero. Varadero is a very it's a glittery blue, and it's kind of giving me these aqua vibes, like dark aqua vibes. And that color I'm going in my inner corner of my lid, and then I'm only gonna put it on until the middle of my lid. So inner corner till the middle. And you'll see, like, what I liked about this color is I don't need any setting spray to make the color vibrant. It is as it is already vibrant on its own. I'm just using my finger to dab it in and to my preference. And what I like about this palette is for each dark color, there's a lighter color, like there's a lighter shade. And now you know what you do, you just blend it in. So for my inner corners, you'll see that I'm putting more of the Varadero color to define the look. And then also, don't be scared to go back in with your colors. That's what I'm doing. I'm going back in with the Tropico just to give it a more defined look, because I feel like the orange got lost in the process. Just once again going in with my brick brush and making sure that everything is blended in. And you'll see this is the same brush that I used for my transitioning. Lower lash, I actually went in with the Cafecito, the dark brown. So I'm doing the same with my lower lash, just putting the dark brown on my lower lash. Going in with my mascara. You guys know I love my Tarte mascara. I have come to love the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. It is amazing. It gets the job done without having to break the bank to get a mascara. Budget Queen Talk 101. I use this as my first coat. Now I'm going in with my Tarte mascara, my favorite mascara so far. And then again, just putting some mascara on my lower lash. Now I'm going in with my pretty vulgar eyeliner. And I love this part. You know, a little goes a long way. So it's so easy to use, so easy to apply. Just look at it glide on. That's what I like. So easy to glide on. So now I'm just going to do my usual steps on putting primer on, foundation, glow, and making sure that my face is still popping. For contouring, I'm going to go back in with the Alamar Cosmetics palette and use the color Cafecito. It's a brown. I like the brown. I feel like that color gave me the contouring, like the dark contouring that I needed. And also it wasn't too much and was so easy to blend out. And that's why I use that as my contouring. Please comment below if you want me to do a separate video on how I do my foundation and how I make it look flawless without having full coverage. I am more than happy to do it for you guys. But for now, that'll be all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah. Till next time, bye.